Good morning, Tawana, Natasha, Natasha. Did I say that right? But yeah, we're gonna try to see if we can set up the catch some of these reversals. Oh yeah. Oh, you've been going hard on the axis, huh? Mm-hmm. I heard that. Can't beat that. I'm trying to tell you. But yeah, I
And those
was
spice puts are up pretty big.
yeah, that spice puts. You put that swing out what,
I think Thursday,
Thursday?
Friday, Thursday.
I ain't even put nothing out for Friday because I already felt like the market. I put eBay out, but I felt like the market was going to drop. So I put something out that was low risk. And then I felt like the little income tax credit, you know what I'm saying, will push the little consumer staples because that's pretty much. And then you got football season about to start too. So all these people are gonna be looking on eBay trying to buy cleats and stuff like that. Helmets, shoulder pads. They use that stuff for all type of stuff. But yeah, man, I'm guessing everybody got to go back to work, man. They missing the ride. That's how it is. The world kind of opening back up. You know what I'm saying? They got the COVID, Delta COVID, Lambda COVID. And now they got what? Monkeypox. Hey, you already know what I said. I said, man, the government. I said, oh, the government didn't release monkeypox. Yeah, I just like to make a little joke about that because to me, I'm like, bro, where all this stuff coming from? What y'all doing to make all this stuff come? You know what I'm saying? It ain't just coming out of yeah, yeah. They say, all right, well, we ain't get enough of them with COVID, so we're gonna release this Delta COVID. Now you got your girl, the what's the girl, Coco? She can't even participate in the Olympics because she got COVID. And then um what was another one too? Who was that? And then Japan is doing something with the beds to deter athletes from from getting some. So I was like, wow, that's crazy. Well, did you see that article? Yeah, yeah, making cardboard beds. I'm like, man, if you crazy if I'm gonna sleep on a cardboard bed and I'm a perennial athlete in the world, man. Japan is tripping. Man, listen, I done took majority of my little meme coins and I have taken those coins and I have put them to something else because because it you know it never really dawned on me until I looked at Ethereum. And one day I was like, man, let me see what's the market supply of Ethereum. And Ethereum is Infinity too. So when you have like a trillion tokens, you pretty much that's almost like infinity. Like, you know what I'm saying? They keep making them. So I wish I could find it, but I haven't been able to find it. How many holders there are in Ethereum. And if I was able to find that, I had wanted to do like a little video to try to compare it to, and not compare the coin to meme coins, but compare how many holders are holding Ethereum. And it's at what, like what is it at? I think it dropped. It's at 1,800 right now, right? So for people to think that Ethereum is finna run up, or not Ethereum, but to think that these meme coins are just finna run up to a penny, 50 cent, or whatever, right? It's gonna have to be a whole bunch of holders to get that thing to move like that. So unless you really just truly got into a meme coin, like say, for example, Safe Moon, before everybody knew about it, that's probably one of the few that we was able to get in early. And we got in that one early and we caught the run up on that. But since then, it hasn't moved. If anything, it's dropped. You know what I'm saying? Nah. You know how many people gonna have to hold Safe Moon in order for it to get to $1? That's crazy. This thing has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros in front of it. Oh, I'm sorry. That's Safe Moon Cash. I'm sorry about that. I went to Safe Moon Cash. Here we go. Real Safe Moon. Right. So Safe Moon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. It's down negative 2.1%. Circulating supply is right here. What was that, like 1 trillion? You might well say infinity, right? Because that's pretty much a trillion. It'll take, like they said, it'll take you, what they said, it'll take you a lifetime to count to 1 billion or something like that. So imagine having 1 trillion. So you're looking at the total supply of only 14 million, right? Our circulating supply is, damn, am I reading this right? Didn't switch this junk up. I'm charged. That's the 24-hour trading volume, 14 million. Circulating supply is 580 trillion, 580 trillion. Now you got all these people holding this coin, circulating supply with 1 trillion coins, and your price ain't even nowhere near half a penny yet.
Oh no, is that 580 billion?
Yeah, that's 580. That's 580 billion.
Yeah.
Yeah, my bad. 580 billion. Correction. Excuse me. All these commas be throwing me off. But you got a market supply. Now I'm gonna tell you who got the money. The people who made it then made it money. You know. Yeah, yeah. They done made their money. So they straight. So they can start the exchange, whatever. Even with starting the exchange, look at how many people holding this coin right now in circulating supply. And you still haven't even reached half a penny yet. Nowhere near half a penny. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I took mine. Yeah, I took mine and put it on something different because I was really looking at. I was like, the only way I get in a meme coin now is if I can catch it like right when it hit the market, because you already know Binance, especially on Binance, that pretty much is the platform that's holding pretty much all of the meme coins, the rug pulls. They probably hold about 80% of the rug pull projects. Maybe more, maybe a higher percentage than that, but I don't want to call all of them rug pulls. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. But for the most part, they're holding all of these high cap coins. and they promoting the heck out of it. So truth be told, the only way I get in any more of these meme projects, and I'm not saying nothing against meme projects. I think if you can catch one early, jump in and get your profits and put it on something else. But the only way I get in is if I'm catching it as soon as it hits the market. Or if they had like a pre-sale and I'm able to catch the pre-sale, and then when it hits the market, I'm able to make flip whatever I put in. Because 100 to 1,000 or 100 to 2,000, that's not a bad deal at all. Yeah, facts. Facts. Straight up. Mm-mm. Right. And that's another reason why, like, I for me, when I'm looking at the meme tokens, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna throw something at it, right? But say for example, we didn't know Safe Moon was gonna turn into the project that it did. It ended up turning into a solid project, but it's still gonna take so many holders. It's gonna take so many people to hold this coin, or it's gonna have to be on a lot more exchanges in order to get that liquidity flowing for people to truly see some gains off of it. And that's another thing that I was looking at. Like, man, you just, look at your coins. And I've been kind of going through them, trying to see like what what which ones I should hold, which ones I shouldn't. You know what I'm saying? I kind of been reassessing my little portfolio. You know what I mean? And just seeing which ones I should cut, which ones I should keep. So that's kind of what I've been doing. And when I came across it, I was like, you know what? I'm finna I'm finna let this coin go. Cause even when I was go ahead. Oh nah. Purely business decisions. Right, right. That's it. That's it. That's it. Because man, Netflix is about to add gaming to their platform, bro. So you're gonna be able to log on to Netflix from your Xbox and and truly be able to game. Like, bro, if if anybody go down, Microsoft probably go down, right? So from at this point, as far as Xbox, like me, I don't like to buy games out the store. I like to buy my games from from off the online site. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I always have 1 or 2 terabytes worth of memory on my Xbox because I don't really like to hold the disc no more. But now they're creating a platform on Netflix to where now all I have to do is log into Netflix from my Xbox and just stream or rent the game or however they're gonna do it and just stream it to my Xbox and play it for however long I want to play it. If I think if anybody takes a little hit, probably be Microsoft until they find a way to. And that's why I thought they was gonna acquire Discord. And if they do so happen to acquire Discord, then I think that's when they really, really, really get rolling.
Mm-hmm. And then you see V-Chain was at like 5 cents.
Is that 5 cents?
5 or 6 cents, yeah.
Man, buy some more of that.
Yep. Yep. And today, yeah, exactly. And today I just put up in the group chat, but I just wanted to like reiterate that that everything is like looking real bloody right now. I mean, it is what it is at this point. So just don't feel pressure to force any trades or do anything crazy like you have to trade to do something, because at the end of the day, you need momentum and volume to drive any price of that stock up. And on days like this, it really ain't gonna happen. You're really not gonna get that.
Yeah. So it is one of those things where you're patient. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because most of the time when the market falls like this, like it did, because it fell from 431 down to 426.
And it's been bullish. The market's been bullish for over a month. It's been running. It's been real bullish.
It's been
So
super bullish now. You can't say that. So
yeah,
it's definitely been super bullish. So like I said, this pullback actually has been, like I said earlier, it's kind of been waiting to happen. So if for the most part, my experience when stocks drop like this, they slowly build back up. So it might range all day until probably about lunchtime and then begin moving. Or it could just possibly it might, you never know now, you know what I'm saying? I don't like to say what the market gonna do because I really don't know until I see it, right? But it will range for a little while, especially on a big drop like this, and it'll stay between 2 or 3 numbers, you know what I'm saying? Like it might stay between 426 and 425, 424 or something like that. And it'll probably stay between that for a couple of days. And then next thing you know, it'll start working its way back up. But the sentiment of the market right now, due to that COVID, I think that's also helping push the price down. On top of it already needing
yeah,
a correction.
yeah. That's what I said. And then a lot of cities are shutting back down. The COVID cases are back spiking.
Who shut down?
Huh?
Who shut it?
Well,
I
California,
know
they already said,
California, they ran the mask
man,
again.
that's what I'm saying. Like they're
Oh yeah,
shutting
yeah.
stuff back down. Their businesses are shutting back down. You can't even really go back in them now.
Dang.
So, even with flights and stuff, a lot of flights, they're not flying as many flights as they once were before the COVID cases started back spiking. So you got to take all that into account. I mean, yeah, all of that. Even the oil prices right now, the oil prices are falling because they're talking about some slow growth. So when you start looking at all of that stuff and everything that's happening around, what you think gonna happen? the Dow gonna drop 500 points.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna drop. Yeah, what? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that Delta variant right there waiting on you. Yeah, I'm trying to, and see that's the thing I tell everybody. Just make sure with this stuff, just make sure you doing the right things. to keep your immune system strong, because it's not, you know, to prevent you from catching it. It's just being able to fight it off when you catch it. Because the way they releasing it, making it airborne and all that stuff, if you don't catch it, that's a blessing. But if you do catch it and you're able to fight it off within those 1-2 days, that's also a blessing too. Because some of this stuff is taking people down for weeks. You know what I mean? So that's why I say just keep your immune system up, get your little exercise in, so your body can be able to fight that stuff off when it comes time. When it comes time to. So hold on one second. I thought I had this thing on the entire screen. Show you guys what I'm looking at right here.
Everything red.
Yeah, definitely red. Where's my Discord? Oh, what's up? What's up, Moody? Good morning.
Yeah, Moody said, I remember saying it was going to 29, 28. You sure said Spice was going to go to that number. You said it. Yep. And it was up about 40% on Friday if anybody was still holding it. And it's down $2 and something right now. So yeah. Yeah.
Man, listen, everything takes a hit when you got this pandemic. You got oil going down,
Everything, the oil.
everything. The only thing,
And the only thing right now that's holding afloat is healthcare.
yeah,
And that's only because of what they're trying to do because of COVID.
utilities. You know, utilities ain't going nowhere.
Mm-mm.
Everybody gonna have their utilities running.
But that's it.
But all this stuff right here, this
Healthcare and
healthcare,
utilities. That's it.
all this,
Everything else is red.
yep. It's like I think Lily is a good mover.
Yeah, that's a great movie.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
Lily,
haven't seen Trey that one in a long time.
LLY, that's a good mover. Look at the consumer the hmm So all the financials are red,
Of course.
which we knew that was going to
Yeah.
happen. That is, where is that? Real estate.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty. It's green. It's all right. It's dark green.
And you know what's crazy? You got the housing market doing numbers right now.
It really
And then
is,
and then you got all this other stuff happening around you.
man.
You know why they doing numbers? Because they taking everybody's stuff.
Right. Ain't no houses being made like that. So people who are actually living through the pandemic are like, man, shoot, we got to get something.
Mm-hmm.
Because some people are actually, progressing through the pandemic. So they like, shoot, we need to find us a house. Listen, if I told you how much equity we gained on our house just by them finishing up our neighborhood and they're growing a lot of the businesses around here, you'll be you'll be like, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Nah.
And that's why I was saying it is time to get ready to sell, because the equity that we have in our home is crazy. It's like we're not gonna have that long, because Yeah, I already know. I've been telling Morris. I was like, yeah, we need to go ahead and try. But the only reason we haven't sold yet is because of the land we're trying to get, and we're trying to stay out here so our kids don't have to change schools. And it's only so much land around us that's
Mm-hmm.
zoned for the school that our kids are still in. Oh Lord. Our internet went down. Y'all can't hear us?
Can y'all not so did.
Let's go ahead and move.
No, we should still be on. It's just going in and out. Everything in and out. Can you guys hear us? Now we back. We are back.
Everything is weird.
Oh yeah, this would be one of them days where, like I said, I never really trade on Monday anyway. So a lot of stocks are, since they dropped so much, they might just open up low and then begin to go up. So you might be able to catch some at the especially if it throw you a reversal. If it throw you a reversal, man, you'd be good. I wouldn't mind hopping in. But I'm just gonna sit back and wait. Market about to open. So I'm gonna just sit back and wait. Wait that first 15 to 20 minutes and then find your position to get in. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at the list, look at which ones that you can afford to get in, that you don't mind losing that little piece of change, and watch those stocks. And when you watch those stocks, if they give you the move that you're looking for, jump in. Uber got, oh shoot, oh snap now. Talk it, talk it, talk it, talk it. Now you definitely could catch some, you know what I'm saying? You could definitely catch some coming off of his put and then continue back up. You know what I'm saying? But make sure you give yourself time. Cause like say for me, if I'm gonna jump into a contract today, the 19th, I wouldn't do it for this week. I'm gonna do it for the following week. So I give myself time. Even if I'm day trading, I'm still gonna get that following week contract. But if it hits the number that I want, guess what? I'm gonna take my profit. But if it goes against me, I still got that time to next week to recover. So I wouldn't take a 23rd contract. I would take the 30th. But that's just me.
Well, I don't do that sometimes when I'm day trading, only because it depends on the stock with the price action.
Yeah, if it
If
goes
it's a if
immediately
it's a
into the
stock
money,
that
yeah, it doesn't hurt.
if it's a stock that kind of sort of moves like $4 or $5 at a time,
Yeah,
I'll be a little risky and go and take that weekly contract, and only because of the price action in it.
yeah, it's true.
But
Like,
because if I'm doing a Tesla, I don't have
yeah,
to do it to next
Tesla,
week.
you don't have to do it next
I can
week.
just go ahead and hop in and hop on out.
But like, say like
Like Fastly or something like that.
MU or something
MU,
like,
yeah,
yeah,
you're going to
I'm,
get it to
I'm
next
getting
week.
next week.
Like Patton, you don't have to do that.
Yeah, Baton, you don't have to do next week. You can get
Yeah.
a
Square,
square.
you can do it this week.
Yeah, you can do it this week. Baton, square, stuff like that. You can do them this week.
But more still
I
do it for
still
next
do it
week.
next week
I
though.
don't.
I go and put it for next week.
All
Market
right, they're
is
gonna mark it.
open.
What you over there trading, Chris?
You already know he trading on that crypto.
Okay.
Hmm. As you can see, kind of open flat on a lot of this stuff. Spies opening up in the doji pretty much. So you just want to be patient. Like don't jump too soon. Don't assume neither. Like let it play out.
And then Chris said something about Microsoft puts.
Yeah.
Definitely need to watch Microsoft. I just
Look
looked
at
at that.
PLTR is trash. I hate that stuff. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm probably going for that SPY. What did that eBay swing do? I didn't even look at it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna do SPY. If I jump into something today, I'm probably gonna do SPY. See, I'm just waiting right now. Cause you see how them things just jumping up, jumping down, it's jumping up, jumping down. I'm just gonna wait. I ain't gonna let you get me. Cause you're trying to force me to be impatient right now. I'm gonna wait. SPY. See, he's trying to pump fake. That's why you just wait. Well, it ain't nothing but put calls coming in. It's crazy. Yeah, the flow algo straight puts coming in, man. Mm-hmm. But I'm waiting though, because right now you get faked out. So I'm kind of waiting for it to break that 426 before I even touch it. Yeah, yeah, I know. I wanted to be at 426. Yeah. But if it, continues to drop and it drops to that 425, like 41, then yeah, I'll probably jump in on, you know what I'm saying, and catch that put. Because that put will probably take us down 424, then 423.95. But I wanted to break full all the way up under support or all the way over resistance before I jump into anything right now. So I'm kind of just chilling. Like I said, it's the first 5 minutes of the market. I'm not rushing into anything because as you can see, the market is red as hell. The only thing that's hit right now is Tesla put is down $1. Fastly is in the put, is only in the put by like 20 something cent though. Um, Zoom, and this is why you have your trader journal because you can go back and look at your plays. Zoom is at 352. So it went on this put. The entry was 354, opened at 356 and dropped. But that would have been a quick play because look, as you can see, it's already pushing back up. You know what I'm saying? So so Zoom went on this put. If you go to Patan, mm-hmm, Patan hadn't even moved yet. So we still waiting on Patan. Yeah, exactly. Square. Look at that. Square went on a nice little nope, Square hasn't moved. Square hasn't moved yet neither. Yeah, his opening price was 231. So we're looking at 236.29 or 227.29 is at right now. So damn, I thought that was square. Uh, I wonder. So I wonder what Coinbase correlation. Would correlation of Coinbase be Bitcoin? Would it would it move with Bitcoin? But it's giving you almost. Yeah, I messed that up. Hmm. But right, right. So it gave you a double top, then fell. Now we're coming up on a little. Let's see if this closes in the pin bar. Because if it closes in, yeah, I'm looking at the hour. Because if this closes in that pin bar, and if it breaks that, then you probably get the gap fill back up. But if it closes there and then goes two down, then you're looking to go, further down. So let's see. There go Patan. Patan just hit his call entry. Yep. Patan hit his call entry. We're looking at a take profit of 112.52.
Okay. All right. I'm in that 112 call on time.
So let's see what it do. It's see it's slowly moving.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why I said sometimes you can catch these stocks and they drop so far in the pre-market
Yeah.
and they
And it's
start
moving too.
they start immediately recovering. So it's with 112.40 right there. So
Yeah. I'm at 36% right now.
just like that. You know what I'm saying? Just like that. That's why I say that. Like sometimes you can catch them before like that first.
Yeah, I just like I told you just then for Baton, I'm gonna do the same week because it give me it's price action. It's gonna move. I don't have to do a weekly contract on it. So I mean, I grabbed two contracts, left one of them running. I secured it at 43% for one of them, and the other one's still running. So I'm gonna see what this one gonna do.
And that's why I always say like the way stocks fall sometimes, even though it's a bearish market, like right now it's bearish moves. Sometimes these stocks be done fail so far when it opens up, they kind of start pushing up from there. But sometimes they open and then they just continue to fall. So you just gotta be paying attention to them. Cause like SPY, go ahead. Mm-hmm. 112.59.
Mm-hmm.
Already then
Mm-hmm.
already hit my TP. Is what
Yeah,
a penny from the
I'm
TP
at
I
50,
said?
yeah, 51% right now.
Yeah, you can't when you get a play now, that's a play that plays out perfectly for you,
Yeah.
right? And that's why I trust my strategy. Because more times than losses, I'm gonna hit my TP. And I was
Yeah.
at 112.83.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
It's about to
saying?
be at 113.
So
Yeah, it's fighting it right now. Yeah.
yeah,
Because
so
I can't get past 60% for nothing.
and
Huh? Oh,
I'm
okay.
yeah, well, my in the
Oh,
small
there you
time
go.
frame, I could
There you
say
go.
mine's
Yep,
still
there it
working.
is. 75%. There it
And then
is.
also too, as you can hear, at least uses percentages. So you gotta kind of be able
Mm-hmm.
to say, hey, you know what? Damn, there you go, 113.42.
Mm-hmm.
That's
I'm trying to
resistance
get
right there.
100% right now. I get 100%. I'm at 80. I'm at 88%. If I get 100%, I'm out.
You you might not get 100%.
And so go ahead and secure. I can secure 85%.
I would.
I don't mind.
Yeah.
No, I'm at 95% right now. I'm not securing the bag. What are you talking about?
Well, I would say this. Yeah, I would secure that because
Okay.
I
All right.
I would secure that.
All right.
It might keep going, but 85%.
No, I'm at 93%
Yeah,
right now. I just sold
you straight. See now she kind of
93%. The other one was 40%.
and she pretty much and you done for the day. You took 2 contracts. Initial run up on put yeah, it's what I'm trying to tell you. So initial
See, dog. Don't tell me that.
nah, you got 90-something%. You can't be mad at that. Yeah. Yep. hmm And then
Can you pull up Microsoft for me right quick?
this is an
Oh, I'm sorry.
example of a bullish engulfing. So you call it bullish engulfing straight out of like once the market opened, it gave you FTC on the hour, day, and the week, and it just ran up.
Hey, Chris, I think I'm about to take your Microsoft put.
I think SPY's gonna keep. I think SPY's gonna keep falling too. Ooh, why would you do that?
Microsoft put.
No, you want to wait.
You think I can't? I need to wait?
I will. I will wait because
Man,
this is why I will wait.
I know that, but still.
You know what? Go and lose what you just won today. Hey, Chris, Chris. I told you go and lose what you just won today. Look, you got FTC, pin bar, plus another confirmation of FTC. Why would you go against that?
It's gonna drop.
Oh, okay. I will wait because let's see, because if it hits this right here, 280, that's his resistance. If it rejects that, then yeah, you probably get a little drop, but it might break through. Oh, you can't see it? I thought y'all could see. I thought y'all could see everything. My bad. Oh, dang. You know what? When the my bad, y'all. When the
Internet.
yeah, when the internet went out. My fault, y'all. The internet had went out. Yeah. Mm. All right. So for everybody who, dang, y'all just missed my little trade. So, for everybody who's looking at Microsoft right now, only reason I don't think this is a put is because this initially started off as a pin bar, right? This is a pin bar. It's a fat pin bar in a sense, but you're looking at resistance at 280, and right now it keeps rejecting that 280. So if it closes in this pin bar with FTC on the all of the time frames, for the most part, you have a high probability that it's going to continue up. So if it closes like this in the next 44 minutes and then goes 2 up, you know that we're going to go up. So for her to jump in right now,
Well, I'm fitted jumping forwards.
okay, will kind of be premature because if she jump in a put and it's clearly showing you bullish movement, you know what I'm saying? You Dang, man, my bad, y'all. I ain't even know.
I'm gonna load on them too, cause they hella cheap.
What messed me up is I'm recording and I can see it on my phone, so I assume that you can see it. There you go. Right up. Like you just said, 277 right here at the bottom breaks the low of that breaks the low of this candle, of this wick, then I would take the put. So yeah. But what I was talking about on Baton, everybody, because it's still kind of moving a little bit, but it's where? Oh, you talking about right here? Caught the shoulder. Yeah, yeah. So it gave you a bullish engulfing. So for me, so once it broke that 111.58, which I had entry at 163, that was the entry. My first TP was right here. So I've been kind of trying to highlight, you guys, my TP when I put that blue line, that's like a take profit. You know what I'm saying? So let's check out SMIO real quick. Oh, man, that thing is
Falling.
yeah,
I told
SMIO,
you.
boy. Did you put that on your list?
Yes.
What
I
it,
told you that thing was gonna fall. The entry
it was
was
what, 60, 55?
bro, but look where it opened up
It
at.
opened up at 59.44.
That's what you
Yeah, I sure can. It like sometimes too when you put an entry,
I missed it though.
but I mean, so let's see here. If it breaks that 59.47, it continues to fall. And let's see if I can get this thing adjusted real quick. Let's say if it goes two up, we'll wait to see if it goes two up. Because if it goes two up right here, 59.71, then it goes back up. Oh, really? Because that would be resistance. But this would be like two up right here. So let's do this. So this would be two up, right? This would be two up, and then this would be take profit. Breaks line right here, that's two up. Take profit, first TP is 59.98. And then if it gets there, it might go a little further but then it depends on how much volume. I don't know how this one really moves.
If anybody took the forward put right now, you're up 20 to 30% depending on entry. What? Yeah, I mean,
So,
and that contract was super cheap. It was like $10 for forward. I'm just letting you know.
what is DocuSign? Is DocuSign that's a big play? Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. You might be able to catch a little. A little PMG action right here on Baton. Back to 291. But they got this outside bar. Let's see who's going to take control.